Dear fellow Toastmasters and guests, I would like to share with you some of the transactional analysis fundamental concept which I learned and use in my life. As some of you know, I have been deeply learning almost 5 years psychology, and one of the direction called transactional analysis. And shortly it called TA. I would like to share one key fundamental concept which you could also use in your life, and I hope that you will find it useful and interesting as well. So what is transactional analysis? International Transactional Analysis Associates describes TA as a social psychology developed by Eric Bern in 1915. And this theory consists key concepts which practitioners help use to clients, students, and even systems analyze and change patterns of interactions that interfere with achieving life aspirations. So following key concept about which I will talk will help you understand the essence of transactional analysis deeply. First, let's start from the word transaction. Have you ever heard about this word? Okay. Initially, when I heard this word, it sounds very awkward, and mostly I heard about it from financial world. And actually, precisely the meaning of this word is a money transfer. Or in dictionary, it's described as a act of transaction or the fact of being transacted. So you may ask, how this word is related to psychology. This word is meaning transaction, and transactional analysis defined this word as a basic unit of social intercourse or interaction. To illustrate this, let's imagine dialogue between two people. Let's say it will be Aina and Miram. Aina, hello. Miram, hi, how are you doing? And this dialogue between two people means transaction. In other words, Aina initiated transaction to Miram, and Miram answered to that transaction, responded in his word. So this is called transaction. So this is interaction between two people. To explain it more, transaction could be interpersonal when two people are involved in dialogue, or intrapersonal. Intrapersonal when maybe you remember, you know that sometimes we think in ourselves and we call it inner voice. Something like, what's interesting topic? I need to learn about it more, or I should do it that, or should that. Something, some thoughts which is happening in our mind, and we kind of interact within ourselves. So I hope that this clarify about transaction. And to understand, to analyze the transaction, we need to know about ego state. So what is ego state? Let's see how Eric Bern, who was originally developed this concept, defined it. He said that every person has 3 ego states: parent, adult, and child. And I would like to illustrate the photo in order. Do you see that? No?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Okay, great. As you can see, here is a three ego state which all of us had in our person. So first, for example, let's imagine when you are elated or happy or want to have fun. It illustrates your child ego state. Another, when you thought about something, I should do that, I want to do that, it's related to parent ego state. Parent ego state, everything we learned from our parents and significant adults. Child ego state, everything which we learned from our childhood is related mostly about our feeling and thoughts. And adult ego state, it is related the state when you are here and now, think and can assess reality adequately. So how do you think, in which ego state you are now? So I would like to illustrate this. I would like to share with you some quiz. Let's play some little quiz, which will help you to understand it more clearly. Let's see the film excerpt.
Stop. Wingardium Leviosa. Stop. You're going to take someone's eye out. Besides, you're saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
You do it then if you're so clever.
Go on.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Oh, well done. See here, everyone. This Granger's done it. Oh, splendid.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Well done, dear.
I think we're going to need another feather over here, Professor.
Okay, as I have time limit, so I guess you will define it yourself. You can write in chat and I will answer. To sum up my speech, I would like to say that this differentiation is, of course, conditionally, just to understand ourselves better and improve our communication with others in our life. Hope you will observe that in your life, in your communication within yourself and with others. Thank you, and the floor is to Mr. Toastmaster.